In Florida, that's like what, 72
50,
degrees? 50? Oh,
53 with a high of 60 something.
okay. It's decently cold for Florida, huh?
Yeah, but it's not cold enough to do anything like kill bugs or anything. It's just kind of it's a nuisance. It's like, okay, I wear a jacket in the morning, then by the afternoon it's like 70 and I'm hot, and it's like, well, this is uncomfortable.
And then the bugs
I look
like
like
go after your sweat.
yeah. Well, no, it's really like fleas and that crap, like the little critters. You gotta be like sub 30 for like 3 days for that to like kill them. We never get that, so it's like, yay.
Yeah, we got bugs coming out too.
Or like in the gnats. Gnats, yeah. We're likely like avoid that probably until like May-ish.
As long as the rain stays away, I'm happy.
I think I got rain tomorrow through like Wednesday or Tuesday, it's saying, something like that. Sorry, Tuesday through Friday, yeah. I'm clear the next 3 days, but it's cold until the, well, cold being like in the 50s and 40s.
Yeah, I think James was saying where he's at, it's 21 degrees.
That sucks.
Can't imagine waking up like that every day.
Nope. Nope, nope, nope.
I mean, it's 34 here in New York.
Nope, 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 nope.
I'd rather the cold than the hot.
That's you, man.
Could only take off so much clothes. You could always put on different layers.
Spoken like a true Yankee.
Oh yeah.
But I've never heard of someone, heating to death. I've heard of people freezing to death.
Oh yeah, you can overheat. Fucking, you ever heard
Yeah.
of heat stroke?
Yeah, but I'm more or less hearing more of like people were found frozen to death.
Oh, it's not that big. That's in like the sub-zero temperatures and shit.
Kind of looks like VIX is going up with SPY right now, but
Well, I mean, is SPY going up?
it was very slight. Like it was like on the 5 in 1 minute.
Because that Fed rule is going to fuck the whole finance sector, because that was a godsend the past like 6 months, especially to the whole, banking and finance sector.
I guess my hopes of $400 this week is kind of destroyed.
I'm taking a break for the next probably 2 months, kind of recharge my batteries and stuff like that. Like every guess I've guessed the past month and a half has been like totally fucking wrong. Like I thought Nike would have done well yesterday, Christmas season plus stimmies and all that. Nope. So missed on revenue, big. Which I think, honestly, I'm looking at a bunch of them, including Nike and like Tech.
Is the video you shared specs right there, Alan? Oh, gotcha. So you are live streaming right now? Because your status doesn't say.
It says live.
I mean his Discord status, he puts up YouTube streaming or whatever. Where is he?
Morning. Good morning, sweethearts. I'm doing all right. Did anybody read my story from last night?
Which one?
No.
No, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad, Alan. This one wasn't bad.
Alright, then yeah. Feel free to tell the story.
It was like the text from my wife. Babe, where's the lighter? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, like I don't know if you could see it, but there was like a text from my wife last night that was like, you know, don't kill my son. You know, I posted it in the chat, like copied and pasted, you know, like last night. But yeah, yesterday I was like driving home, and like the text said, freaking oh, let me see where to go. Let's see here. Where the fuck did this thing go? She said, so Aiden just did something really stupid. It will cost us. Do you want to wait until you get home, or should I tell you now? Because I just went off on him, and I don't want you to kill him. So last night, apparently Aiden freaking thought it'd be cool to throw a toy through his bedroom window.
Oh, that sucks, man.
Mm-hmm. Brand spanking new, bro.
Wait, the toy or the window? Because, I mean, to go through a window nowadays, you'd have to have some pretty good force.
No, it was a pretty solid toy.
I was about to say.
Yeah, about to say made through a single pane. But that kid's got some strength, man.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
you know what? That's what everybody keeps telling me. And I got one comment in the group that was like, yo, just leave it broken, he'll learn his lesson. I don't remember who said that, but I was like, that one's the best.
DSEC Warren's bid is 142.
But if you have any kids, Alan, that's what you got to look forward to.
I mean, none of my kids have done that, but they've done stupider shit. So.
No, I was just talking about the whole, like, mom's trying to defend him so he doesn't die when I get home.
That's how it's gonna be with me for sure.
That's how it's gonna be with me. Yeah.
Alan,
Poor
you're
Mike.
talking about kids already?
Mike's got to find a wife. Mike's got to find a future wife that's shorter than him, so it doesn't get beat up all the time. What?
How old is she?
Oh my god, she's
Huh?
22, I want to say. I think he's the same age, or a little bit younger than him.
My wife is
Yeah.
excited. Call her.
She's like...
She's 5. My wife is 5 foot.
Yeah, no, but literally Mike's girl is like 4'11".
My wife finally has somebody shorter than her.
Yeah, I mean,
Mike is shorter than her, probably. What is he, 4'12"?
He's 4'12". That's fine.
4'12".
I know. 5 foot.
Yeah, I mean, we joke that Mike's like 5'2", but he's like actually 5'7", so he's just like standard height.
Is that 5'7" with platform shoes?
Yes.
Or high heels?
6 foot step stool, actually.
My wife got sick with it was like the flu or some shit. And then we went to the doctor to get some like antibiotics and stuff. And then her work made her take a COVID test. Now she's out for 3 days for the test results. Yeah, that's what I was like. Shoot. I like that they're not doing they're letting you do the COVID test yourself, like the swab, instead of like shoving it up your nose, you know.
Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing today?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Bo.
Sounds like an extension of red today. Hey, Ford popped up for you.
Yeah, but it's coming down a little bit.
Yeah.
How much are you down on it now?
1,300.
Oh yeah, Alan.
What's up?
5 and below, bro. I've been calling it out for like a month now.
5 and below. Ticker
F5.
5.
Yep. I really like it for long term.
3.5 minutes.
5 Below, that is a great store. The amount of stuff you can buy in there and donate to like kids' homes and stuff like that is phenomenal.
I love that place. It's like the Maybach of dollar stores.
Maybach.
Yeah.
The hell's
See,
Maybach?
my thing with
You don't know what a Maybach is?
Maybach.
Yeah, I'm about to say it's my buck.
Maybach.
But there's also DG and DT. I would much rather invest in DG.
From
than
a
any
real
other.
estate perspective on that one, you'd want to be in DG or Dollar Tree. Just from the basic aspect that Five Belows are typically in more expensive centers, and they're also the clientele they're trying to reach, isn't as broad spectrum as both the others, especially Dollar General.
Yeah,
Where's Mike at? We looked it up. There was like 50 or 60.
definitely by far, like, if
Yeah.
I were to go with any of these organizations, like DG's the way to go, and like I'm glad.
Like, I second that 100%.
Agree with me. It's like I think about this from a business perspective. He thinks about it from a real estate and expansion perspective. DG out of the three of those organizations.
Let's just say like this, Dollar General, in particular for the dollar stores during the pandemic, was the one that had the least amount of closures and was considered more of an essential.
Are they open?
They were stayed open the whole time, from at least in most municipalities.
Because
So they were
Dollar
considered.
General is literally the only source of like any sort of produce in, I think it's like 30 to 40% of the U.S.
It matters which ones you're going to. Certain ones, like in my market, they don't have that, even the rural stores. But Dollar General is the only rural retail non-grocer. So for like home goods and stuff like that, it is your only option.
Yep, like, God, demographically, I am in the Midwest, and I know that they are very heavy in the Midwest. But, like, you go to a lot of these rural areas where the closest, like, Walmart or grocery store is, 45 minutes, an hour away. So what these people do is, they go to Dollar General. They do
Yep.
that to hang out. That's the only thing they have to do in their town. If they want to go shopping, they go DG.
Yep. I mean, that's the same thing with my in-laws. I mean, hell, that's exactly where they go, and they're rural as hell.
Yep, it's either DG or DT.
Yeah.
DG's doing well because Mason didn't invest in them. Or is he invested in Dollar Tree?
No, but dude, I remember the day he invested in Dollar Tree, I messaged him like, why the fuck did you buy Dollar Tree? Sell your position and get Dollar General at least. Dollar Tree
I
went
remember
down.
that. You told him in chat too.
Yep, Dollar Tree went down, Dollar General went up.
Significantly.
Yep.
10 seconds.
Yeah, it was
10
huge.
seconds.
Market's about to open, boys. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
And that's
Alright,
market
that
open.
is open. That is open. Good luck today, boys. SPY is opening red. Volatility is red. Tesla, weird candle. Dollar General not moving. AMD currently going down. CCIV going down. Apple took a slight dip right before open, but it's opening green, trying to climb back up. CCV ain't moving. BABA is slightly green. Looks like airlines are slightly red. Ford is taking a dip. Oh, all these airlines are dipping right now. AAL falling. Save actually kind of rebounding. UAL coming down. CCL coming down. Ooh, today's
COVID news.
Monday. COVID news. What? What
Yep.
happened with COVID?
France had is looking at a possible outbreak.
But I thought COVID was over. sarcasm,
Nope.
by the way.
It's over. I'm just spamming.
Oh my god, I've given 1,000 back to Ford this morning. I kind of want to see where this Ford goes, you know? I'm just sitting here chilling with 4,000 shares, just doing my thing. This was a day trade that went poorly on my part. I was not planning on, obviously, holding, but I took a call and I kind of forgot I had this position open. So, you know, now it's for me to kind of just make up these awesome strong ends. I know that Ford is going to continue to go up over the course of time. Holding this forward, I just wish that I was not this allocated as of right now. Let's just see what these Palantir, how that's looking on my charts. Ooh, Palantir is not looking good. Let's see AMD. This one's gonna hurt. AMD's doing alright. I think it's kind of funny that every single cent that every single dollar that AMD goes up, I'll make $1,000 because I have a total of 1,080 between all of my accounts. But yeah, Ford is taking a god damn. Let's see Ford again.
Hey, Alan.
Yo, what's up, Air?
Share lockup ends on Monday for Corsair.
So do we get puts today?
That's tough because it's been taking a beating all week.
Has it been anticipating this? But it can go so much lower once the shares open up.
Yeah, exactly. It can break below 30 easily.
That's what I was thinking. I would wait until after.
I'm gonna wait till Monday and see what the price action does, and then potentially sell a put.
Unless you're talking about naked, Alan. And then
Naked now to sell on Monday when premium is high and just reverse the position, you know? So when I sell these naked puts, then go sell some more so then I have CSP1 on first.
Remember, there's witching this afternoon too.
Do you think volatility will go stupidly high at that time? Because if that's
Didn't it last time? Like in the last half hour? I'm trying to remember, it's been a while. Obviously.
remember volatility went up as SPY went.
I mean, different market conditions from last quarter too.
Last quarter was still Trump, right?
Yes. Nothing really looks good right now.
Everything's very low volume.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay away. I think what happened was everyone closed out their options and sold out yesterday, so today's gonna be flat until witching. Witching might not be much of anything. Hey, nickel is positive today.
SPY tanking.
VIX is like hardly moving. It's staying right around 22.
Alright. Should have grabbed puts right there. That open.
Got that holiday weekend feel where there's like low volume and hardly anything going.
Tomorrow is the first day of spring.
You know what doesn't happen tomorrow, John? No red day.
I can get behind that.
Oh, no, you do have red day on crypto too.
What's that?
You forgot about crypto weekend.
Nah, I don't touch crypto. I need some days of sanity.
So if anybody has been paying attention to my SPY puts, my SPY puts are in the money. Oh my gosh.
God, John.
390s.
You got a 390? That's disgusting, bro. How much you up? Like 40%?
Okay, this is the sad story. I got it when we were still at 395, maybe higher. Sold same day, and then I entered again yesterday. So now I'm not up as much as I would want to be.
You're still up though, so take that as a win.
Yeah. Getting used to this day trading.
Hey, all you gotta do at the end of the day, don't think about it as like, oh, I gotta have all of these kick-ass, stupidly amazing trades. Think about it in terms of a job, right? There's 250 trading days a year, and let's say you want to have a $100,000 a year job, right? That's pretty good salary for a guy your age, right?
Yeah.
$400 profit on the stock market a day consistent. That is 4 trades that you make $100 on. That's 1 trade that you make $400 on. That's 10 trades you make $40 on. You know, just whatever you want it to be. Just $400 a day. That's not too hard for a guy of your intelligence level on the stock market. Would you agree with me?
Yeah, I agree.
It's gonna be exciting, bro.
Yeah, I'm not worried. Not at all. Once you learn how to make money in the market going up or down, it's fairly easy.
Yep. The scary part is when you are betting it's gonna go up and it goes down, or you're betting that it's gonna go down and it up.
Yeah.
AMD red on the day.
Not a my son. AMD tanking, CCIV tanking, Apple is tanking, Boeing is tanking, AMC is tanking, SPY is tanking, Tesla is tanking, Dollar General is holding up, Ford is tanking, Steel is tanking. Oh my god, Airlines taking a dip, CCL low of day down 3.3%, Save down 1.7%, low of day at 37.9. AAL currently trading at 24, down 2.9%. Oh my god, today it was a gross day on the market. Like, just so the people watching on
I think there's gonna be a.
look at these. Oh
Go
my
ahead.
god. Just so much.
No, you can go ahead.
So
Alan is on X becoming a buy, like to
I'm
hold.
not even gonna enter or exit any positions right now. Like, just from the get-go, it's bearish on the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 5. Oh my god, just
Alan, did you hear him?
what's up?
He was asking about X.
Is it becoming a buy to hold for long term?
Long term, you said?
Yeah, for a couple months.
Like 20 flat, 2030 is support. That's where I roughly would want to buy it. For
Okay.
long term, but this is still great day trading.
Okay.
Because God, Devin, you remember Steel when we first initially started to play, or at least with you, right? It was what, like
Yeah.
12, 13 bucks, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So it's like, why not just go long then? But hindsight's always 20/20, you know?
Sure.
But that was a day trade opportunity on X. Did you take that?
Volatility's coming down a little bit here on the 1 minute. Ooh, I gotta sneeze.
quietest it's ever been.
That's the way it is when the market just moves. Everyone's discouraged from trading.
It's really bad right now.
Are you guys not playing puts?
No. I'll probably sell some CSPs.
And then look at Dollar General. Oh my god.
Look at Target, Alan. TGT.
Wait, we have a winner today? What?
I know.
What price do I need this to get to? I'm trying to get a free share. Give me a second.
You only had, what, 30?
I have 20. So I need it to move 5%.
Slowly getting there, because you're probably up, what, 3%?
I need this to get to 185.
Oh, it'll get there. You guys think it's too early to sell puts?
Never too early.
I might sell one on CCIV.
I'll tell you right now, the April 16th 385 is got some nice volatility in it. Too late, too late, too late. It just shot up. This went from 644 to 684.
Alright, Aaron, I just sold or I just set sell
What'd you set it at?
184.98.
Nice.
SPY does not look like it's going to stop slipping, but as of right now, it looks like AMD has stopped slipping, Tesla is coming back up, volatility is coming down just a little bit, SPY's 5-minute candle is green, VABA is below lower VWAP, CCIV is coming back up, Ford is coming back, AOS is hovering at $3 support. I would be careful if you are day trading that. Airlines
SPY is practically oversold on most time frames, but VVIX is still going up.
VIX is coming down a little bit here.
VVIX is high a day.
Is that witching thing y'all were talking about a good thing for today?
It's a good thing or a very, very, very bad thing.
Hurt.
Yeah, what it means is all the option contracts and future contracts line up to expire today. So a lot of people are going to be executing their contracts contracts over in Robinhood, you're going to see a lot of volatility, which means very nice green for all of us, or very, very bloody red.
Maybe that was the bottom. Gosh.
Most things on my screen were oversold on most of the time frames.
Yeah, it's probably more sideways till, I don't know. That doesn't look good with the news and everything on top of it.
Ooh, volatility took a little dip there.
Did you get into X, Alan?
No, I'm in Ford right now. Oh, and Ford came right back. That's nice.
Dang, I should have sold those puts.
X is pumping.
God, I hate the monthly contracts right now because there's not enough time. Like, there's either not enough or too much.
Buy on the 5 minutes. Pushing the view up. Pumping right now.
AMD is coming back.
Hey Devon, how's your trading now, bro?
The market's coming back up now.
Way better, bro.
It's good, man. Glad to hear it. Glad you stuck around, man.
Yeah, that was the guy that messaged me.
What's up?
I was saying you're the guy that messaged me.
Yeah.
That would be all kind of funny. We all just show up at Gurgit's place.
I'll never say no to food.
Dude, what do you guys like about crawfish?
Love crawfish.
Amazing.
Ass.
I like it
It
when
is
it's
ass.
peeled for me.
Tastes like dirt.
Two things about it: flavor, because of the Cajun spices. I kind of like the Vietnamese Cajun, where it's like a little sweet, buttery, garlicky, citrusy. And then the other thing is, you get to sit around with a bunch of. It's more of an interactive, so you get to sit down with everybody. Shit.
God, I've had crawfish like 3 or 4 times in my life, and I hated it every single time.
It's a lot of work for a little bit of food, but
'Cause
it's
you
more
have-
like the interaction.
You have sophisticated
It's the
palate.
work.
Dude, I really cannot do the texture of shrimp either, so that's probably why I can't do crawfish. But the weird thing, I can do crab and lobster.
For me,
You can't do shrimp? That's weird.
Yeah, it's just the
That is weird.
chewy texture of shrimp. It's also like that with crawfish. And
If
just-
it's chewy, that means it wasn't done right.
yeah.
Well, I've only had chewy shrimp and chewy crawfish, and it just, I don't know.
That's disgusting. Go down to Orleans, bro. They'll do it right. Not everywhere will do it right. Do it.
Oh shit, I'll be in New Orleans next month, hopefully.
Go stay with Gertrude.
God, how many of you guys are in New York?
I am. But my brother lives down in New Orleans.
Well, God, I know you are, Tim. It's nice seeing
Yeah.
you in the call, bro.
Oh, thanks for being here. I love being here on red days.
Nobody else does.
Doesn't Mike love red days?
I do.
Fred does. John does.
Mike loves all days. Always green.
I've just been listening to you guys chat, trying to get some work done.
I is not wanting to break above VWAP, but see if it'll do anything here. New 5-minute candle, red so far. Oh, Lockheed hit 360 pre-market.
I might buy 10 more of those Marvel calls. They're almost at my buy-in price.
Oh, check forward on the 1 minute. Look at that stupid bullish cloud that's going to be opening here in a couple minutes.
You said bullish flag?
User. Devin, you see that bullish TK crossover? Yo, Devin, you there, boss?
Yeah, I hear you. I was looking at Tesla. It's gonna hit 630 something.
Did Spec do another recap last night?
Yes.
Yeah, he did.
Alright, I need to go over the monkey bars again. I
In
had
this
it.
room this weekend.
I had it down pretty well last night, but I kind of slipped me. I can't remember all the exact details right this moment. The monkey bars. Let's see. The left side. Left side is Mike's here. I think the left side's Teapot.
That's a 629.
Time spent. Right side's volume. Ooh, thank you, Alan.
Yep, no problem.
What do y'all see Tesla going to?
300. Also 1,000.
Realistically, Tesla can retest its pre-S&P price point.
Those 385s popped again. They were just at like 613 a little while ago. Popped back up to 685. They're at 670, 176 now. VIX coming down here on the 1 minute. This looks like area right here that they have. That was a slight gap up on the 1 minute on VIX.
Oh boy, volatility is just continuing to climb.
Yep.
Good luck
Ah.
today, boys. Apple is tanking low of day, Baba or Boeing low of day, SPY low of day, Tesla low of day, AMD low of day. Oh my god. Dollar General just continuing to move up.
VIX is at 23. Wow. Literally, we just saw it at what, like 18 and change? Yeah, it was at 1895 yesterday. Oh no. Not, after hours on Wednesday.
The SPY could be at bottom. Could be a fake out too.
Apple's at 119.85. I don't think we've hit fib retracement levels yet, have we?
Mike probably has fibs pulled up. Mike, how is that looking?
What's up?
Might be. Oh.
You got fibs on SPY?
I think I put him on the ES. One sec. Okay, one sec. I might have. Oh wait, I have to redraw him actually, because we hit all-time highs again. See if I have him on SPY. My freaking laptop sucks. So I'm gonna go to my regular computer.
VIX coming down, 22.84. It's like around this 10:15 to 10:30. Clouds widening on VIX.
But I don't think we're going to be near a fib line because of our recent all-time highs being hit. But what's that?
I think the cloud support comes first before any fib levels, for sure.
Probably, depending on the time frame.
And we're still above the 50 SMA support level. Yes.
Yeah, we should. Yeah. So I'm sure that anything that might match up with a fib.
I was thinking 386, high 385s. Is very strong support. Break below that, then might see a bearish trend. Just got done with a bunch of green days.
Yeah, next fib isn't till, well, if you jump on a daily, 359. But maybe some hourly fibs might be better. Ooh, on the hourly fibs, we're at the 61.8% at 387.9. Bounced off of it.
Hey, did any of you guys take DJ Ritz's DG play yesterday?
What was his DD play?
He caught DG at a low. And
It was like right after you said something about it, Mike, or maybe right before it, but I think it was right after. You were like, ooh, G.
No, I didn't get any DG.
yeah, damn. We
I
had
was
a
like,
fun
oh, that's a
play
great pickup.
yesterday. Yeah.
Still holding DG.
Ooh,
Yeah.
AMC is pumping right now.
Hey, maybe we will bounce off this 61.8 and just hold.
We technically have pretty much, like, so far, if you look at the 1 hour chart.
Hey, to the
Right
8 people on
on that
YouTube
work we
watching
did.
right now, you guys are freaking amazing. God bless you all. Much love.
Yeah.
I appreciate you all being here.
Is it,
we're starting something
E-level
new,
in the past?
and it's a lot of fun that you guys are here and participating in it with us. So, thank you guys. We'll be working on improving this whole streaming stuff a whole lot more. You know, moving forward and whatnot. We're just testing some stuff out, but yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know how I can improve and whatnot. But yeah, back to the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, next support would be the 50-day moving average, which pretty much lines up with a fib. He said AMD shitty, Intel's better. Spread about why Intel's doing so good. Right now, it's just hype for an event they have coming up. I think it was like next Monday.
I find it hard to believe that Fred has AMD but no Intel. But I could be wrong. I mean,
He had some long and then he sold it.
He might have some Intel. I'm not sure though.
I think he has TSM and AMD and some NVIDIA.
He definitely has those, yeah.
yeah. I know he had NVIDIA. I think it was NVIDIA and AMD. He was waiting on making him NK first. I think.
Have a funny tweet that I saw.
What happened to Nike?
They had earnings yesterday.
What did they do?
They beat on on EPS, but what they do was crap.
Mike!
They finally gave forward guidance.
Oh, Nike down 5%? Might sell assist. They did good on earnings. Yeah, always a good time to go long. I think I'm gonna start doing more CSPs and less SPX butterflies. I'm still gonna have. Yeah, I'm just trying to change it up a little bit.
You said you're gonna do more what again?
I'm gonna scale back the butterflies and do more CSPs, most likely.
Okay. Before it was you were staying away from CSPs and doing more spreads.
That's what I thought too. And he stopped doing equity altogether.
Yeah, I'm not doing equities. Well, I'm doing equity in my Roth IRA, my long-term account. I just got a drip account going. But, well, CSPs and put credit spreads, as you said.
Gotcha. Okay, so it's same.
Yeah.
Same.
Just less butterflies, more single stocks.
Yeah, I've switched over to put credits as well.
They're nice, huh? You like them?
Oh yeah.
And here's the thing, I'm gonna be doing put credits, but you know, if VIX expands and we see a big drop, then I roll out to a cash secured put.
Right. It's almost like a hedge against the put credit spread.
Yeah. Pretty much.
VIX dying. The 1 minute cloud.
But yeah, with the SPX being where it's at. I think
How is it marking right now? Is it? It's not that great.
Fine. They've been doing great actually, but I think I can just make a little bit more if I scaled back on them and traded, because single stocks have better premiums than indexes and ETFs just in general.
Yeah, and you can open put credit spreads on basically just as stable things as SPX.
Yep. Even SPY, but I think I'm mainly just going to be doing probably like Apple and maybe Microsoft.
MCD maybe?
Maybe MCD's a little too high right now.
Yeah, I feel that. Walmart's not the worst, but they kind of...
I'm not a fan of retail. I'm going to be really picky about my stock selection though. I was thinking Starbucks actually. Maybe even Nike.
I guess
Corsair.
Pepsi doesn't have good premium, does it?
Probably not for the price, I'm going to guess. Not sure though.
Yeah, I doubt it would.
JPM. Maybe Raytheon. What's a Raytheon premium? Raytheon premium isn't bad.
I like Raytheon a lot.
Yeah, I do
Good
too.
company.
Raytheon and Lockheed are two of my favorite defense stocks.
Yeah, it looks like we missed the Nike bounce. It's like it has support near like 135.
Nike?
Mm-hmm.
Is that earnings?
Honestly, too, I was thinking about this trade in SPY. I was going back in the on-demand platform, and I was wheeling SPY, basically, or basically just rolling puts on SPY through March 2020. And
Buys at VWAP, by the way.
Nice.
Yo, Devin, check out Ford, bro.
So you just stopped rolling SPY just because?
What's it called?
You said $4?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I bought just 5 shares up like 30 cents. I didn't know what it was gonna do.
Sell it, bro. Take that, even though it's only 30 cents.
But I did
You know what I mean?
get in the Tesla at a
You scale
perfect
that
entry.
trade up, and you know what I mean? 'Cause
I
you're
got
just
in the
doing
Tesla
shits
that.
and gigs 'cause you heard me say Ford, right?
Yeah.
So that's
I got it in
6 cents a share?
Huh?
That's 6 cents a share, right?
Yeah.
So you scale that up to the normal free equity trade that you take. You would have gotten, what, 5 free shares, 4 free shares of Ford right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. But yeah, there's really not much that you can make if you only got 5 shares of Ford, bro.
Yeah.
But hey, you did it, and it worked.
Should I keep my Tesla? I got in at 628 a couple seconds ago.
I would hold it. There's a bullish TK cross on the 1 minute chart that happened 4 minutes ago.
Okay.
So
How do you tell
do
the TK cross again?
when the blue line goes above the pink line for the
Oh yeah.
coupon.
I see it right there at 633.
You guys willing PLTR, John?
Yeah.
Probably a decent entry here.
Yeah.
CSP.
I think Air's buyers today, and it's 24 though.
24 strike?
Yeah, I have the 25 strike that expires today. I'm debating. I have 2 of them that I'm considering rolling, just because, or I'm at least considering rolling one, because I'm actually up on it big still.
Oh, you are? So you're at 25. Let's see what you can roll to.
I was looking at April, 16th, I think it was, for the...
Yeah, you can roll down to a 22.
I was thinking about doing that for one and getting assigned on the other. I mean, I'm up 50% overall on both.
Yeah, either do that or take profit. If you get assigned, just sell a HaiKhuu strangle and roll.
I think I'm just gonna let it strangle. I'll get assigned pretty much at 23.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, do you see a benefit to rolling it other than to avoid assignment?
You collect more credit.
True, because it's the credit on top of what you've already earned, right?
Yes, so you'd add the credit you get to your original credit, and that would be your new max profit. And your assignment would not be at 25, it would be at 22 as well. In addition, it collects more credit.
And the delta is right at 30 for it.
Is it? Yep.
Yeah.
Personally, I think I might just sell a 20 strike and call her a day. Tied up to 2K.
I sold a 21 just now.
Really? Nice. That's pretty good. 21 and 20 is good.
I think what I'll do is I'll roll one and get assigned on the other.
Yeah, that sounds good, and then strangle it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, John, I'm gonna hit and get a 20 right now. Did I make it a spree?
That's what I was debating before I opened
By
it. But
12. 20. I mean, it costs 2 cents to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
For an 8 wide. Pretty much a CSP.
Hopefully.
I might just keep it naked though. Nah. I'll do the spread.
I think I'll roll it, but I'm gonna wait for Palantir to come back down a little. I'll collect 62 more credit.
Yeah, as long as you collect something. 62 is really good for a roll. Do like AMD CSPs still. Honestly, like half CSPs. Just scaled out of some SPXs. Let me scale to more of these first.
Oh wow. I was looking at the May 21st for AMD. Like that.
start, maybe not, probably not a ton, but I'm gonna start dabbling with some calendar spreads also. How calendars is they are positive theta and positive vega, meaning they benefit from volatility going up and they still have positive theta.
I've seen the name calendar spreads, but I haven't looked into them.
It's kind of like a poor man's covered call.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
What?
Oh, sorry, I didn't know my mic was on.
Yeah. Live streaming also.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's a good, look into how the market operates.
I'm kind of trying to wait for the witching to.
Buy is just slightly consolidating on the VWAP right now. VIX dropped below the 1 minute cloud. Plenty of volatility today. So far.
The VIX did come down from highs. I think it's going to come back up though.
Yeah.
And with CSPs, it matters way more than those butterflies. 42.
Yeah, I've been kind of slacking on recording my premium received.
Dude, I've been honestly so annoying doing it. I wish there was like an automated spreadsheet. My spreadsheet.
It's just mind-blowing to me that it's not on TD Ameritrade.
Yeah. Actually, Tastyworks, they just added a feature that basically keeps track of your rolls for you.
That's nice.
Yeah, I guess it works well. According to their use from it. I see, I'm looking through my trade log here. I've been noticing that I'll forget like one trade or two and I have to go back and add it. Probably tracking the accounts limit at least though.
Dude, I just realized I have too many CSPs on SoFi.
IPOE, that's a good one too, Will.
It is, but I have like 6 CSPs open.
6?
Yeah.
Oh, and then there's Carlos. 42 options expiring today.
Jeez.
Nice.
Did he post that somewhere?
Exclusive.
Yeah, just put an exclusive.
Yeah. How many are you getting assigned by any, Carlos?
Doesn't look like I'm going to get. Oh no, looks like one F cell.
F cell, nice. Are they all puts or covered calls too?
It's about 80% covered calls. No, 60% covered calls. The rest puts.
Nice.
Six covered calls expiring on PLTR. 2 are gonna get assigned.
What strike?
looks like the 26 is going to get assigned if everything goes right.
Yeah. Alan and Spec just casually losing like 3 of my accounts in a day.
For real, bro. Like what?
Dude, I've been down 30 over the last 2 weeks.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
There's one of my accounts.
Well, because I had a lot of CCIV, which I sold off a bunch. So
I was muted when I said that. I literally said I got a SPY put right here at VWAP. Thought I was unmuted, sorry.
Nice. That's a sick play, John. You've been killing it with these SPY contracts.
Yeah, dude, with
bro.
the SPY option. See, this is what I was waiting for, Joan. The freaking VIX to come up. Good job.
Hey, I appreciate it. I mean, any feedback from you helps whenever we're talking about VIX and all that stuff.
Oh yeah. VIX can be fun to trade when you're selling options.
Oh, hey. Another thing that I totally forgot about, guys. If you go to GameStop today, and if you spend $15 on Pokemon cards, you will get a specialized Pikachu. Make sure you get that from GameStop today.
Really?
And that will pay for all of your Pokemon cards and then some. Try to get as many as you can.
Wait, so what do you have to do? You just have to spend 15?
$15 at a GameStop on Pokemon cards or Pokemon products. Make sure that they have them before you spend the money too, and make sure you can get it.
And wait, what did they give you?
You get a special GameStop Pokemon card.
It's just one card?
One card, but you get that for $15 and stuff. So go get $15 in packs. And hell, even I'll buy it from you. Cover the cost of packs and everything in that card.
You think it's gonna be worth something?
Yeah, that card's gonna be... That's gonna pay for all of the cards, and then probably triple your money.
I'm gonna tell one of my friends about that. He probably already is there in line. You have to spend the 15 on Pokemon cards.
Yeah, like Pokemon cards or Pokemon product, just ask them when they're there. I totally forgot about that until now.
How long does this last for?
This is going to be sold out today.
Oh, really?
It starts today, and it's going to be done by the end of today. Well, SPY's been absolutely insane.
It's the witches.
Yep.
It's hilarious. I immediately thought of that one movie that everybody watches during Halloween with the witches.
Which one?
Oh, man. I hate to not remember while we're live streaming on YouTube. Good grief.
Let it forever be known, John doesn't remember.
Hocus pocus.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Got you, bro. We know everything.
That's the truth. There you go, Alan. Those 3 ladies. Witches.
Tesla pumping.
Nasdaq's pumping pretty good.
Everything just pumps.
Volunteers at the 200 SMA on the 5. Also 5-minute cloud resistance.
TK cross under on Ford, not a good sign on the 1-minute chart.
Oh yeah, Palantir had a TK crossover. 5-minute.
For as terrible as a day it is, I'm up 3,500, so can't complain.
Good morning, ladies and gents.
Shit.
Good morning, Joe.
A fan-fucking-tastic day.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you have puts?
No, I got a couple option calls on the bottom flip.
Nice.
Did you?
What you grab,
That's
bro?
now?
Yeah, my average is 149, and it's at 161.
For what stock?
Buy.
Buy.
And I just closed my position at 162 on accident. Oh well, fucking profit. I meant to set a stop at 162, but I'll take the $121 gain. Living the fucking dream.
There you go.
Yeah.
$1 a day.
Dude, before you know it, you're going to be caring more about the stock market than kids doing jumping jacks.
Motherfuck, I'm so mad. I didn't even mean to set that sell. I thought I had stop limit set because it just crossed a point. That's a resistance line on the 1 minute. Oh well, I'm happy with my gain. I won't be happy until it'll be $500 an option, but fuck it.
But hey, you know what? A gain is a gain. It is money in your pocket. You cannot complain with that.
Yeah.
And who knows?
Yeah,
What if that was the top and you just accidentally sold at the top perfectly?
Well, I was gonna set a stop market, so when it pulled back, it probably would have sold anyway. But I think we're gonna pump higher because we just broke the 1 minute resistance line and the red cloud coming out. I could be wrong. I'm trying to get the clouds down better.
It's all just percentage. So you're good.
There was that TK cross under on the 1 minute, if you're looking at that.
Yeah, that's where I got in. I got in on that TK cross.
But there's a TK cross under. Do you see that? It happened 3 minutes ago on the 1 minute.
Yeah. And my ass doubled down on the cross under.
Why?
On that, because on the when I was looking at the 5 minute chart, the MACD was just crossing positive on that slight pullback. Was my logic flawed?
Because you said you grabbed it at like the bottom. I'm assuming you grabbed
No,
it.
I grabbed it at that cross at the what is that time frame? 10:22 or something. I grabbed it on that cross up. And then I was working and I missed as it come back under there and started that drop.
Yeah.
I
He grabbed it below the 1 minute cloud, and then he said he doubled down when it came back down into that 1 minute.
Yes, when it hit that 1 minute resistance line, I doubled down. And on the 5 minute chart, when that double down happened, that's exactly when it was crossing basically into positive, the MACD into green. Was that right? Or was that a dumb thing to do and I got lucky?
You got lucky.
Oh, shit. Well, at least I bought at the right time. I just didn't sell it the right first time.
Yeah. I think that slip cost you some money. I would have held that, but you know what I mean.
Well, that's what I meant. I meant to set a stop loss at that point of where that top Ichimoku line would have became resistance, and if it broke it, I'd have sold.
Yeah, that's those kind of things. Like if the volatility wasn't like it is today, you would have gotten slightly stuck.
Okay, but I got lucky because of volatility. But I did buy at the right time, and I should have sold right before it came back and crossed over again, correct?
Yes, ideally.
Yeah, I missed that because I was on a freaking phone call. Well, I guess sometimes it's better to be lucky than right.
For sure.
Well, they both come into play on this stuff for sure.
Yeah, I would have just said re-enter, but you don't have day trades, right?
No, I could have re-entered because I'm on my one account. I split it. Throck said to split my money because I was PDT ruled, so I moved half of it into a cash only account, and I left.
He said you need to split it because you're under PDT rule?
Well, he didn't say I had to split it. He said I could make a cash only account and move money from my one that I got handcuffed on over to it, and that's what I've done.
I gotcha.
So I have an account that's only cash that I moved half of my money into, and I left the other half in the one that's handcuffed for the covered calls and all that stuff.
So you got marked as PDT, so you're under that 90 days restriction on one of your accounts? Gotcha, yeah.
I'm in jail, and I used all 3 of my get out of jail free passes.
Oh my god.
What are you laughing at? The last one, it was a dumb error. I didn't even think about it. Like, I knew I had no more, and I had put in a sell limit, and I sold some options, and the other ones weren't closing, and I wasn't thinking, and I changed the damn thing by like 2 cents just to get out of the position, and it counted the bitch as 2-day trades.
Oh, that's the worst.
And the stupidest thing was I could have just held it there, and like 5 minutes later, it would have hit it, but I just wanted out of the position. It was dumb. I'm dumb. Because stupidity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. But I'm trying to improve that.
I think that's insanity.
Yeah.
Well, I call it stupidity because if I keep losing and I'm doing the same shit every time, I'm not learning my lesson.
Yeah, I mean, just like with stocks, overtrading applies to all types of trading. So you just make your chances higher, your percentage chance higher of losing whenever you trade more and more with options, especially.
That makes sense. So in the monitor tab on Thinkorswim, like whenever I have, for example, the AMD put spread open and the butterfly, how do I know when I'm actually making money or the PL open that it's showing me is a loss?
If it's in parentheses, that means it's negative.
Oh, okay. So all of my shit's negative.
Oh. Yeah, if it's PL open, then yeah.
Okay. But if it's not in parentheses, then it's a positive.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, it's an
Learning more and more. Learning every day.
Yeah, that's no worries. Whenever you're selling options, usually it takes, depending on your expiration date, Like even Carlos said, like even with his weeklies, like he'll be down for like the first part of the week, and then once as expiration comes closer and closer, you start turning green.
Because that theta starts churning for you, right?
Yep.
That's why I love Fridays.
Yep. Expiration days.
I would love to just sit beside Carlos on well, for one, all week, but on a Friday, I just love to watch this.
All his options just go to 0.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Especially at close, just watch it. Just... You trade on Thinkorswim, Carlos?
I trade different strategies on different platforms. Thinkorswim. I still have my Robinhood and Fidelity.
Okay, cool.
Yo, it says Gold Chain in the options chat. Said he joined, but he says he doesn't have access in some areas. I'm not sure how. What areas?
I saw your boy Mason out there the other day, Alan. That was yesterday in the afternoon.
What did he do this time?
No, he was just out there talking.
What did he do this time?
Let's not forget we're live streaming.
Oh, my bad.
You're good.
How long is the live stream going on for? I thought we were just doing that for the first 45 or something.
It's been an hour and a half, but like markets have been moving. And
Okay.
people are on the stream, so it's like.
Oh yeah, no, I'm just asking.
I think I've seen that. Is Greg in here? Yeah, Greg. I've watched this guy like once. Let me see what this video is about.
Yeah, it's basically about what I was asking you about yesterday, the poor man's covered call.
Oh, it's the poor man covered call.
I'm not sure what this gold chain guy is
I
talking
think
about.
he's mixing us up with a different group or something.
That's literally what I was thinking.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that poor man covered call strategy, Greg, personally.
I thought you just said that you were opening some.
No, I was thinking CSPs and calendars. I would trade a calendar over the PMCC.
Glass says he's not a fan of the poor man.
What if you're just a poor man?
He's not a fan of you then.
Well, I mean, I would do a calendar instead, personally. A calendar is when you buy. It's the same, kind of the same thing, except for you're using the same strike price but different dates.
Yeah, I mean, he's buying a delta that's 0.7 and selling one that's 0.3, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, it sounds about PMCC-ish, but if you use the same strike, that's a calendar. I would prefer that, but because I don't like leaps that much. Because
airlines are rebounding. Everything's rebounding very nicely right now.
That what's it called? The long leap that he got, it's just gonna keep losing. Like, it's worth a lot, and it's just gonna keep losing value. Way more. It has potential to lose way more than he collects selling the call.
Right. I think the strategy is to sell calls like, I guess the calls that he's selling is 45 days out. So he could sell like 6 of them or so before it even expires.
Yeah, exactly. But here's the thing: if the market tanks, then how are you gonna adjust out of that?
And that's why I don't like the poor man's.
Also, if the market rallies, then what are you going to do about your short call? You're not going to want to exercise your long one. Yeah, you can roll it, but you can only roll it for so long.
I mean, he sells them pretty far out of the money, kind of like how you do. You know what I mean? Where it has to rally a whole lot to.
It'll happen. I promise.
for sure.
Beck just said he added to ES short.
Yeah, short.
So that means he thinks the SPY is going to pull back today.
He's just day trading. He thinks he's going to pull back very short term. Let me pull up the monkey bars and see what he's looking at. Been trying to get better at this stuff. Huh. Well, today, I don't know what the hell he's basing this off of.
This is the first time I've looked at monkey bars combined with fibs.
Yeah. Pretty cool. But it's not a balanced day. Let me ask him.
TK cross NQ and SPY.
On what time frame?
5 minute. And VXX to the downside on 5 minute.
I don't see a
Do we
TK
think SPY
cross on the
has
5.
more upside then?
That's what I'm looking at on the 5.
On the 1 minute, it's trying to break the support and come back down. It's bouncing off the TK line. Alan was right as usual that I made a mistake whenever I tried to put in that stop market. Had a nice solid run up. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, well, I'm going to wait till it pulls back, or like you said, shoot for the 1% a day. I definitely did. Let me just see what I got so far. I had a 3.5% day yesterday. I have 2.26. So you suggest 1% a month? Awesome. And that's even on smaller accounts, 2% a month?
The average return for like a fund for the average customer, client, whatever you want to call it, it's like 12%, like that's good. 12 to 15%, I think, a year.
That's really good. And that's
Yeah.
like bull market.
But isn't
It's-
it kind of... Go ahead, John. Sorry.
I was just gonna say, yeah, it's usually like 9% or something. Like,
Yeah, it's like if you actually go back and just calculate the SPY, it's more like 7, honestly. But since we're in the bull market, it's been rising.
Is it kind of hard to judge like your gains based on what happens in a day though? Like it's kind of not a good indicator if you
Yeah,
get
it's
what I'm
saying
saying.
2% a month.
Right. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm looking at it. The one I'm using is at 5.5 now with that gain. None. Yeah. God. Nice. Can you send me that calculator, Alan? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are we not below VPOC and time spent? I'm trying to figure out what specs.
Damn,
Right.
today's not triple witching, it's quadruple witching.
Yeah. So here's the thing. I've been looking them up. Can't find the freaking difference. They say they're on the same dates. The third Friday of March, June, September, and December.
Financials are actually down today, so probably wait, hold on.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah.
tech is actually doing better. Is NASDAQ up? NASDAQ is up and S&P's down for once.
This is unexpected. Expected financials to still be up. Oh, you're
Things
using
come
that,
down because of that SLR.
You're using that charting system that he has.
This is on a drip, right?
Okay, my monkey bars does not look like yours, Mike.
Yours doesn't even match mine. Are you on the 30-minute?
Yeah. Wait, let me double check because I just switched back. Yeah. You're on the 30-minute 3-day.
10-day, but it shouldn't matter.
Right. Yeah. That's weird. So I could share what I'm seeing. Yeah, the left-hand side on mine, the VPOC, right? Yeah, because TPOC is the green bar, so the VPOC is above my TPOC today.
Look at this. I just switched back, and now it's different again.
Wait. What? It's not even telling me that. Wait, it's still on 318. It's showing me yesterday.
There's got to be some sort of different parameter between yours and specs.
Well, I mean, this is yesterday now. I mean, like, what the heck?
No, I'm talking about Mike's thing. What are
He
you
also
looking at?
customizes his thing too. Remember that.
Yeah, he's using a way better program than Toss for this.
Yeah.
Sierra Charts is interesting. I downloaded it the other day.
Did you pay for it?
No, you can get a free trial.
Oh, nice.
You don't even have to put a credit card or anything into it.
Really? That's cool. I'll have to check that out next week.
What the heck is happening? I had it up earlier. For today.
But yeah, I literally, like, freaking VPOC on Toss just keeps changing for some reason.
You think it'd be possible to program a custom version that's spot on with the version specs you did?
I'm sure it is. Yeah, I don't know the first thing about coding, though.
I plan on taking a look at the Stink script stuff one of these days.
Yeah, if anyone's good at coding, that would be sweet. But yeah, we'd have to see how Sierra Charts works first, and Specs like the only one is actually probably confident in it.
Right. Guess I'll just bring up SPY again, see if that's working.
That would be a potential like money maker too. I'm sure people would love to have this Sierra Charts market profile on their Toss.
Yeah, see, Mike, you opened yours. That's 318, the one you're looking at.
What's that?
The one that when you opened it again, 318, that's yesterday. That's what it did to me.
Wait a minute. 318. Wait.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's weird, dude. Bring up SPY on monkey bars and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's weird.
It's SPY only has 318 for me too.
Really? I
Yeah.
got 319. What is going on? You know what, TOS?
I guess this is why Spec doesn't use this.
Right? This is why there is like proprietary stuff for this.
Yeah. I've been really wanting to wheel the SPY, but the strike I'd be able to sell with my account size just wouldn't be worth it.
Yeah. Nice to be able to do like 5 contracts or something ridiculous like that at least.
Oh yeah, that'd be insane. I'd be happy with like a solid 20 delta for one of them.
Yeah, if I can do that, I'm retiring.
$28.
32. Oh yeah. No, you lost me. I was just being a smart ass. I don't think I'll ever move to Cali though. Okay. Okay. I'll run your hunting program for any of your guys that want to come hunt. Yeah, we'll have some slopes that will drag you to the top on snowmobiles. Oh yeah, in Utah is not cheap right now. Yeah, but not as nice and big as you think. If you want to ski on. Honestly, I think when I'm older, I'll be cheaper because I'm other than the traveling part. I just want to live in like a motorhome or a van and go anywhere.
Hey Alan, how do I use that calculator? Or are you using it?
Whoa, Visa retraced all the way to the 50-day moving average.
Department of Justice investigating Visa over anti-competitive practices in debit card market online transactions.
That's actually kind of funny.
They're investigating them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Wait, I sold on the top.
It's alright, dude. Visa's not going nowhere.
I was
Yeah, I sold on
trying
the
to
top.
grab it.
You guys have
sold
a
the top, hoping to get back in lower.
Once it gets down to 200, I'll probably sell a put.
I think I'm going to join you, Carlos.
What's Carlos doing? Oh, adding V.
It's Visa, right?
Yeah, it's a great hold. I already have some in my Roth, so it's probably...
Just trying not to FOMO in here on that SPY put.
Yeah.
I missed my entry, so I'm not going to worry about it. It happens. Just, I looked over it and I was like, oh. VIX went green and SPY went green for a second. I should get a SPY put, and then I wasn't quick enough because I didn't have my option chain open.
Shit. Visa needs to find the fucking bottom first.
Green candle's not green on the day, by the way. SPY's at the 1 minute 50 SMA.
Yeah, definitely banks and Visa, fintech. I think they have some room to come down. And I think tech's gonna start going back up. Well, while they start going back down.
I just want Visa back to 200 again.
I could see it at 200 for sure. Probably will. Even 190, worst case.
These investigations tend to take a long ass time, don't they?
Not sure. I haven't even seen a link yet. You guys have one?
It's on my other computer.
No worries.
If you look up Reuters, you know what I'm talking about.